Dear brothers and sisters, I think you're doing well. I will explain why I bought full margin. It's simple. Daily time frame CSM re-entry buy at moving average 510 low. Price will up until moving average 510 high. H4 time frame we have QM pattern, so I expect price come to retest this area before price decrease downtrend. H1 time frame price fast over resistance, so we can use Fibonachi retracement. Already price reacted to Fibo entry zone 1 and I hope price will increase looking to level 2. This is the same area where QM entry pattern. Market has reacted well to our setup. I managed to grow this account by 100%. As I expected, price now in QM area, so I expect here price will decrease downtrend, so this is the time for me to take profit and secure my money. Everything is easy when you are busy. Nothing is easy when you are lazy.
We about to turn it on.